and welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. Now I'm filming this a little bit early because just Vlogmas is a lot and so I want to get a jump start on it. Anyway, today is the day after Thanksgiving and so we have a couple of things we need to do and I kind of want to tell you what's going on. So to start off, this is my first Vlogmas. We'll see how successful I am. So I don't know. Well, like I said, I've never done this before, so it may be quite, oh, hi Pen, bye Pen. Might be quite the struggle to get it all done. So I'm gonna try my best and we'll see how this goes. Also the house, we have had major issues in the last 2 weeks. We were working on a bathroom remodel project or like update and we had to get some plumbing connected. And when they did that, our pipes rusted off in the walls and it has been chaos ever since. So we had it scoped, our main line scoped. There was a 3-foot long hairline fracture in our main sewer line. It was also holding water. We made the decision to go ahead and replumb the entire house. And it was an expensive decision, but we were like, okay, like let's just get it taken care of. So they had to jackhammer the floors up. They had to demo tile and they replumbed. I'll put some pictures in, like it's insane, guys. I had no intention of doing this right before the holidays and it has thrown a kink in everything I had planned. But that's home ownership, right? So anyway, so I have been holding out on decorating because there's like dust and whatnot that's happening with like fixing the drywall and whatnot. I'm hoping they come tomorrow to finish cleaning or to finish doing the majority of the work. Now the flooring will not be done tomorrow, I know that much, but I'm really am hoping that they can get a lot of it done so we can start to decorate because I had planned to have everything decorated. We have some big things coming up like in a week. Actually a week from tomorrow, I was planning on hosting my Christmas party and I still am hopeful that I'll be able to do that. Fingers crossed. So TBD on that. But we're hopeful that we can get that taken care of. And then I need to decorate before that. I also need to bake cookies. So anyway, that has all happened. My plan today is to get the rest of the fall stuff put away. I have taken down most of it because like I said, I was anticipating having the house fully decorated by now, and we have decorated outside and I did put up a tree. So it was, you know, I started and then all of this stuff imploded. And then yesterday or Wednesday before Thanksgiving, I was scrolling on Facebook Marketplace and found this beautiful light. And I've been looking for something like this since we moved in, honestly, to go over the sink. We have a really ugly track light that's over the sink. And I found one like this for $250. And then I found another one that was $175. And this one was $35, y'all. Could not have gotten a better deal on it. So we're gonna try to install that today, as well as kind of put the rest of the fall stuff away and kind of put the house back together. We had a beautiful Thanksgiving. It was like some friends and some family, like a nice little mix, and everybody came over and we played a couple of games and you know, it was fun. We had a good time. So somehow I was able to get this beautiful tablescape together. I honestly don't know how, and it looked like you wouldn't have known that the house was in such a disarray. But it is, thank God for doors, because otherwise it would be a disaster. You can see Ian messing with my light behind me right there. So anyway, we're about to get started installing this, and welcome to Vlogmas, guys. So this is the light that we're gonna be taking out right here. And this is the light that I got off Facebook Marketplace. So I think it'll be really pretty there. But you know, it is an older light, so we might have to do some adjustments on it, but I think it's gonna be pretty there. Okay, so I gotta shorten this chain a bit, so I pulled it off of this and been able to get this off but now that I'm looking at this, I'm not real sure how to, I wonder if I'm gonna have to undo those links too to actually get it off. That's pretty. Definitely need a 40-watt bulb though, because it's bright. Okay, so this is up now. So that was the big thing for today. So that's nice. I gotta clean this mess up, and then we gotta break down the table from Thanksgiving yesterday. Okay, we're taking a break for lunch, and we're having leftovers. This is one of the best parts about hosting, is that you get to have everything. So most everything we warmed up, but Jay and Nicole made bomb mac and cheese. We had a turkey and ham, just stovetop because Ian likes dressing better, or stuffing stovetop better than my dressing. And then my grandmother's sweet potato souffle, which is my favorite. And then we have apple pie. I did not cook a whole lot for Thanksgiving. I just warmed it up, and I'm not mad about it, honestly. Oh, and we had green beans, but I think I gave all those away. I did send to-go plates home with people, so there's that. So anyway, we're breaking for lunch, and then we'll get the fall stuff and get the table put back together from last night. Tired. I'm very, very tired today. I think I may have had too much. I think I indulged too much last night, to be honest. Yeah. Penny, those are my socks. No, ma'am. You little turkey lurkey. She was just trying to get my socks. That's not yours, those are mine. Those are mine, not for baby. Not for baby Penny. Okay, I packed most of my fall stuff away already when I thought I was gonna be doing my Christmas. So I just have this garland and a couple of pumpkins that I used as my table decor. Like I said, I packed most everything already. So just gotta wrap these up, get them in here. Hopefully I can fit everything in here. We shall see. I blew these out the other night and wasn't paying attention, and hot wax went all over the table. I was like, oh no. But anyway, we'll store these leaves separately and down in the basement, and then pull them back out for when Christmas happens in just 3 weeks. So we'll do that next. Okay, it's kind of sunsetting, but we're gonna take Penn for a little walk, I think, get some of her energy out, and also work off some of all of those calories that we ate for lunch. Penn, do you wanna go for a walk? Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Say hi to the camera. You ready to go for a walk? We got her a new little jacket. Let me show you. Okay, Penny. You gotta put your harness and jacket on. Come here. Come here. Yes. Yes. Let's put it on so we can go for a walk. I had to wake Ian up. He was asleep. So that afternoon turkey coma is true. But look how cute this is. We got it from Costco. They had a pink and purple one, but it was not as cute. It looked very baby. Okay. You're all ready to go out in the cold weather. Are you ready to go for a walk? Hmm? Let me get my shoes on. We'll go. Okay? We'll go. Okay, and we're off like a herd of turtles. We're all bundled up and ready to go. It did snow the other day, so it's quite cold, but, well, it's still lingering, I should say. Anyway. She's real cute in her little jacket, isn't she? Oh, we're actually gonna walk by. One of our neighbors does a crazy installation for Christmas and Halloween, and they've got their Christmas up, and it's dark enough I think you'll be able to see it, but light enough that it's not too crazy. So look at that sunset with the mountains. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's pretty tonight. You can see it a little bit up here. Hold on, you'll get to see it in all its glory. Y'all, look at this. It's like the Griswolds. This is insane, right? Look, they even have a fireplace. They actually have Clark Griswold. They're getting electrocuted in the Santa suit. That's hilarious. Penny, come on. Why are we laying in the snow? Penny. What are you doing? Ma'am, what are you doing? Come on, we're going for a walk. You can't just stay here. Penny, come on, this isn't our house. Penny. I wanted to show you guys our beautiful, this is our aesthetic tree. We haven't gotten our homey tree yet. We're gonna try to get that this week after all of the construction stuff and then get that decorated. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. We're just gonna be heating up more leftovers for dinner, folding some laundry, maybe turn on a Christmas movie or something. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow for another fun-filled Christmas day. Vlogmas, that's what we'll say. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.